Hi Choice family, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl My Choice Kitchen. In today's video I'm going to show you how I marinate my drumstick chicken. These are the ingredients I will use to make my drumstick chicken. I've got 2 onion, spring onion, fish cubes, garlic, and my spices, and the chicken. I will list all the spices I combine together on the description box. So further we go, I'm going to start off by blending the onion and the spices together. Here is my blender. I'm going to go in with the garlic, my onion, I'm going to add the spices and also with the cubes, and of course I'm going to add a bit of oil. And I'll blend that. I'll give that a blend. That's done. So this is our blend. So I'm going to transfer the chicken to this bowl. So I will scoop some of the mix to my chicken. I'll work that through with my hands. I'll rub it in gently. I'll rub it in. Rub it in and rub it in. So guys, I'll cover the chicken to sit for 1 hour. I'll put in the refrigerator and we'll proceed to next step. So I'll leave this on the refrigerator for 1 hour and we'll be back. After marinating the chicken for 1 hour, I steamed the chicken a little bit. So here is the chicken after steaming. So I've put the chicken into a baking tray. I'm going to bake for 180 degrees for 45 minutes. Sit back, keep watching.